What's going on, everybody? My name is Mark, and this is another video about Hashflare. Um, for anybody who is new to the channel, Hashflare is a cloud mining service to mine Bitcoin. But in this video, I want to give you guys a better idea of trying to select your mining pools, and I'm going to actually purchase a small amount of hash rate. So while I was actually searching on the internet, I found that somebody actually is keeping a log and creating a spreadsheet of all the mining pools. So I will post this in the link in my comment, but let me explain this a little bit for you. So in the brighter yellow is the first place one for the day. So as you can see down here, it's January 3rd. Ant pool is actually the best yielding for Bitcoin. Um, the lighter yellow is the second place, which is the slush pool. And if you actually I go to my Hashflare and if you look here, it says 0.00015,025, and I'll match that up with what I have mine set for. I actually have mine set for ant pool, and if you look there, it says it actually matches up 0.00015,025. So I've actually had mine set for ant pool for the past few days because I just found this. So, I mean, these numbers they aren't very far off from one another, but when it comes to your investment and it comes to returns on your investment, you want to get the most bang for your buck. This will definitely give you a better idea of how to set your pool or your pools, however you want to configure it. I actually set mine just one pool, ant pool, and I've noticed that actually yields me a little bit better. So you guys can do it however you want. But I'm going to go back to my Hashflare, and I'm actually going to purchase a little bit of hash rate right now. Is that I'm actually going to reinvest what I've acquired. So basically, you would just click on this little carriage. Oh, I already had that. And I've only got 0.001 basically right now. So what I would do is just scroll over here. Oh, I can't see anything right now. I don't know why. Hang on. Try to refresh this. There we go. So I've got 0.001, and I'm going to use this little scroll bar, and you can see right here how much money and what it adds up to in Bitcoin. So I can afford 70 gigahash. So I would go to proceed, um, select payment method. And since I already have that in my account, I am going to pay from balance. You can actually pay with a wire transfer, pay with credit card. I believe if you pay with a credit card, they hold it for like 14 days or so, just to make sure that you don't reverse the payment or you don't, something like that. So just keep that in mind. And you can also add Bitcoin, from your wallet. But I'm gonna pay from my balance. Confirm payment. Confirm. And my purchase was successful. So now I have 2.37 terahash, and my revenue should go up. But keep in mind, guys, this revenue forecast, I don't believe that this includes maintenance fees. So the way to do that is to take out your maintenance fees. You can go to your history, go to log. So you would go to payout. So my payout was right here. We'll copy that. We'll paste that. Go to find your maintenance fee. Copy that. Subtract it by your maintenance fee. And this is your daily earnings right here. So let's copy this. Let's go to Google, paste that, Bitcoin to USD, and $4.36 is my daily earnings. The other way to actually do that without actually going to Google and everything else, if you know what the current Bitcoin rate's at. So right now it's at $15,000.07. You can actually just take this number and times it by 15,007, and that should give you the same exact number. So it's pretty easy. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video was helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next one.